Creating an event in Mylio Photos is a fun and unique way to organize your memories. One of the great ways to do this is by marking a folder as an event. It's really easy. Let me show you how. I have several folders from various trips that I've taken. One of them is to Kenya, and I want to mark this as an event on my calendar. I can simply select this particular folder. You can see that it has the blue border around it to indicate it's selected. And then over in the info panel, I can toggle the switch to say Show Folder as a calendar event. It's that simple. If you're not seeing the info panel on the right, you can simply expand that by clicking the info button here in the upper right, and that'll show and hide the info panel. And then you can also add more information about your event by opening the event section and entering an event name. So if you want it to be something different than the name of the folder, you can do that. You can add a description, a priority, and so forth. Now, every time we click back over into 2021 and look at it in our calendar view, I'm going to go ahead and double click on the calendar view. You'll see that we have Kenya showing up here on the calendar. I can quickly click on that, and that's going to show me all of the pictures from that trip. It's a great way to relive my memories and experience those photos as I go forward. Mylio Photos gives you several different ways to group things together, and events are a very versatile way to do that. You can do them by date, or you can use them this way and group everything together by folder and have it appear in your life calendar so you can easily browse and access those memories whenever you like.